Okay, so you guys just talked about congruent. What does congruent mean? Same size, same shape. In order for it to be the same size and the same shape, it has to have what? Same angles and same size. Okay. Same thing goes for here. So they are telling us that ABC is congruent to this. Therefore, it does have the same size and it does have the same angles. What would I have to do first to get from ABC to the red one? What transformation? Okay. So always use reflection or rotation before you translate. Okay. So I agree. We would reflect it. So it would be. Something like that, right? Not perfect, but close enough. Right? So then from there, what would I have to do? Okay, so I reflect the Y, and then I translate. Do I go up or down? Down. Good. How many would you actually go down? Go down 2, technically, right? Okay. So now, I need to write the congruent statements, which you just did in the Saltscaper. So if I was to say side AB, what is that one congruent to? XY. And side BC is congruent to what? What? YZ. And side AC is congruent to what? XY. Sorry, DX.
Also on top of that, it says it has a triangle ABC and a triangle DEX.
We would say XZ though for alphabetical reasons, right? Okay. So then you also have to say the angles. So angle A is congruent to what?
Angle J.
X. Angle B is congruent to what? Angle C is congruent to what? Make sure you have your angle symbols in there, and make sure you also have your line segment symbols in there. Question? Okay. So when you do B, my first suggestion is to actually draw in the transformations, because like Mrs. Saltscaper said in the last one, it does matter which side matches up with which side. Okay, so draw in your transformations so that you can see it a little bit easier. Okay? Do B, go. Needed to do. Good. So I drew that in the orange. So the first one you had to reflect over the X. Then what was the other thing you had to do? After you reflected over the X and you got the orange, you'd have to translate it in which way? Left. Because it's already down here, so then I just have to slide it that direction. It should map exactly. What? Okay. So then you would go to the right. Yeah. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so XW is the same as what? LK. Yep, LK. WZ is the same as? No? Oh, yes, it is. Sorry, I thought that was an L. Yes, NK. YZ is the same as? MN. And YX is the same as? ML. Okay, it has to be those. That's why I told you to draw it in, because you can see if I just slid it over, those would match up perfectly. So angle X is the same as what? Angle L. Angle Y is the same as? Angle M. Angle Z is the same as? N. And angle W is the same as? K. Again, you have to draw it in to map it up perfectly, because technically this side and this side are the same. So when you map it, it does matter which one you map it to. Okay?